Hi, this is Keith Shabbat again, your friend in the mortgage business, and today we're going to talk about the credit repair system and how it can affect your ability to actually get into a mortgage in today's world. What the credit repair system entails is the ability of having enough time to be able to fix your credit, to be able to get your points increased, which is your FICO scores that we've addressed back in the previous sessions of credit and understanding your credit. The amount of time that you're going to need in order to repair your credit in today's market is going to be equivalent to about 90 days. What we need 90 days for is the ability to be able to fix what needs to be addressed up front, being able to get it over to the credit bureaus, which is Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, to be able to give them enough time to update your credit. What you're going to need, information and stuff that you're going to need to have in order to do the credit repair, is basically very simple. You're going to need to have a computer at home that has the ability of either having Word or WordPerfect. You're going to need basically just a simple printer that prints in black and white, doesn't need to be color. Now, what's good about this is once we have these items in place, we're going to actually do what we call a credit analyzer. We're going to pull your credit report to find out exactly what we're dealing with in today's market, what you've done prior to meeting with us. We're going to put together a system that's going to give you a step-by-step approach in what you need to do to be able to get your scores up to a particular point. So for instance, if you have a 580 credit score, and in today's market we need to have a 620 or better to get into a mortgage, we can actually plug into this system we need 40 or 50 points to get us into a good mortgage. It will actually tell us specifically what we have to do, what we have to pay off, either or what we need to open up in order to get our points up within 90 days. Now, oftentimes people say, do you do the work for us? And we actually don't. What we do is we give you the step-by-step approach of what you need to do. You need to have some time set aside, very specific time appointments that we schedule with you to help you get what needs to be done accomplished in a very systematic approach. By doing that, what we'll be able to do is get you guys into a better position much quicker than if you actually send yourself over to a credit repair company that will charge you a lot of money up front, a monthly basis, and you really never know what's going on. Let me tell you what you're going to need though working to do the credit repair system with us. Initially, you're going to have 2 weeks that you have to put your front load work into. What you're going to do is you're going to have a lot of specific things that we're going to be doing in that period of time. The reason we need 14 days is in the first 2 weeks we're going to have 4 one-on-one consultations to go over each step of what we're going to do, what needs to be paid off, what needs to be updated, letters that need to be addressed, and then mailing them out to the bureaus themselves. What you can expect after 90 days by doing our time-tested approach to credit repair is an increase in scores of between 50 and 70 points, and that's nationwide. I want to thank you today for listening to us about our credit repair system. This is Keith Shabbat, your friend.